right, so we're gonna start with taking our biscuit dough and just flatten it over the bottom of a small glass. The reason I do this is I find it easier getting that depth in the biscuit cup once I put it in the muffin tin rather than just doing it while it's in there. So we're gonna take that off, transfer it into our muffin tin here. Okay, and this is a triple layer biscuit cup. So let's start with our first layer. I shredded up some cheddar cheese. And then we're gonna do some chopped up bacon. That's our main layer, our bottom layer. And then we're gonna add a couple other tasty additions to it. We have some softened cream cheese. Kind of get that spread around on there. Once you have the cream cheese, we're gonna put a little tiny bit of seasoning, like some garlic, some salt, and some pepper. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little a little sweet topping. So we got a little savory sweet, and we got some peach preserves we're putting on top here of our biscuit cup. Just a little bit. We don't want to overdo it, but I think just that little bit of sweetness is going to give a real nice flavor to this biscuit cup. All right, and then rinse and repeat until you've filled up your muffin tin. All right, so we got all of them in our muffin tin. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes, and these babies should be just about ready. All right, let's give this a look. Ooh, these are looking nice. Oh, Rain, check these out, man.
Wow. Those look good.
Dang. I did good with this one. Woo, buddy. Man, that looks awesome. All right, give him a good look at all that. Ooh, buddy. All right, so we're gonna let this cool down for just a few minutes and we're gonna try it. All right, let's give this a try. Come down on this one. Ooh, perfect. All the way around. All right, let's try this. That is perfect combo of sweet and savory, y'all. My goodness. Y'all, please try this at home. You'll see what I'm talking about.